Here's how to filter data in Python using the Pandas library. We'll be using a small Pandas data frame with 3 columns, name, age, and country. Let's say you want to filter rows where age is greater than 25. So to do that, we're going to create a new variable called DFFiltered, to which we will assign the filtered data frame. So what we need to do is call our data frame with square brackets, and inside these square brackets is where our filtering condition belongs. So in this case, we're going to call the data frame age column over 25. And if we print that result, you'll see that only rows where the age is over 25 have been selected. Now, what if you want to filter with multiple conditions? For example, what if we only want rows where age is greater than 25 and the country is USA? This is where the syntax changes quite a bit. So we're going to create another DFFiltered variable. And like before, we'll call our data frame with square brackets. But now that we're looking to filter with 2 conditions, the conditions need to be in parentheses. So we'll put those there. So you can combine these conditions using ampersand for and, or using pipe for or. In this case, we'll use and. So our first condition was to filter the data frame age for only those over 25. And the second condition was for data frame country to be USA. So now if we print that result, you can see that we only have those with an age over 25 and a country of USA. And finally, what if you want to filter for rows where a condition is not true? For example, if we want to filter to rows where age is not greater than 25. So again, we're going to assign our DFFiltered variable. We'll call our data frame with our square brackets again. But this time we're going to use the tilde symbol, which negates the condition. So in this case, we'll put our condition in, dfAge over 25. So it will only return rows where the age is less than or equal to 25. And you can see that in the results here. And that's it. You now know how to filter data in Pandas using simple conditions and multiple criteria. I hope this was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time.